Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today we talk about something very important in daily life. We talk about the future. We talk about plans. We talk about what you will do later. Many learners feel scared when they talk about the future. They think it is hard, but it is not hard. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. We speak very slowly. We use very easy English. We repeat many times. You listen, you relax, you speak with us. This lesson is for real life. This lesson is for you.
Let me start with a small story. Imagine this. Your friend asks you a simple question. Your friend says, "What are you doing tomorrow?" You want to answer, but your mind stops. You feel nervous. You think, "I know the words, but I cannot say them." This happens to many people.
Yes, this is very common. Maybe your boss asks, "What are your plans for next week?" Or your family asks, "What will you do on Sunday?" These are normal questions. You hear them again and again. So today we help you answer these questions with calm and easy English.
Today, we talk about future plans, small plans, big plans, simple plans. We do not talk about grammar rules. We talk about real speaking. We talk about daily life. We talk like friends.
And remember this, you do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Simple English is good English.
Let us begin very slowly. First, we talk about one very useful phrase. This phrase is very common. You hear it everywhere. The phrase is, "I will."
Listen again. I will. Very good. I will is for the future. It means something you plan to do later, not now, later.
For example, I will eat. Not now, later. I will sleep. Not now, later. Very simple.
Let us say it together. Repeat after me. I will.
I will.
Good. Again, I will.
I will.
Very nice. Now we add a simple action. We use easy actions. Eat, work, study, go, rest.
Listen, I will eat. This means you plan to eat later.
Repeat after me. I will eat.
I will eat.
Good. Again, I will eat.
I will eat.
Nice. Now another one. I will work. This means you plan to work later.
Repeat. I will work.
I will work.
Good. Again. I will work.
I will work.
You see, this is not hard. Small words, clear meaning.
Now let us add time words. Time words make your sentence stronger. Time words tell us when. For example, today, tomorrow, tonight, next week.
Listen. I will work tomorrow. This is a full sentence. Very clear, very natural.
Repeat after me. I will work tomorrow.
I will work tomorrow.
Good. Again, I will work tomorrow.
I will work tomorrow.
Nice. Now another example. I will study tonight.
Repeat. I will study tonight.
I will study tonight.
Very good. Again, I will study tonight.
I will study tonight.
You are doing great. You are speaking about the future. This is real English.
Now let us talk about another very common future phrase. This phrase is also very useful. The phrase is, I am going to.
Listen carefully. I am going to. This also talks about the future. It is very common in daily life.
Many people use I will and I am going to. Both are okay. For beginners, think like this. I am going to is for a plan you already have in your mind.
For example, you already decided. You already thought about it. Listen, I am going to visit my friend.
Repeat after me. I am going to visit my friend.
I am going to visit my friend.
Good. Again, I am going to visit my friend.
I am going to visit my friend.
Very nice. Another example. I am going to cook dinner.
Repeat. I am going to cook dinner.
I am going to cook dinner.
Good. Again. I am going to cook dinner.
I am going to cook dinner.
You see, this sounds very natural, very friendly. People use this every day.
Now let us compare very simply. Not grammar talk, just feeling. I will eat and I am going to eat. Both are about the future. Both are okay. Do not worry too much. Use what feels easy.
Yes, do not think too much. Speak slowly, speak simply.
Now let us practice with questions because people often ask you about your future plans.
A very common question is, what will you do tomorrow?
Listen again. What will you do tomorrow? This is a friendly question.
Now a simple answer. I will work tomorrow, or I'm going to work tomorrow.
Repeat the answer with us. I will work tomorrow.
I will work tomorrow.
Good. Now the other one. I am going to work tomorrow.
I'm going to work tomorrow.
Very nice. Both are good.
Another common question, what are you doing tonight? This question uses present words, but it talks about the future. This is normal in English.
Do not be scared. Just answer simply. I am going to rest tonight.
Repeat. I'm going to rest tonight.
I'm going to rest tonight.
Good. Again. I'm going to rest tonight.
I'm going to rest tonight.
You are learning real English, English that people really use.
Now let us slow down and practice together. We do a small repeat after me practice. Relax your shoulders, smile. You can do this.
Repeat after me. I will call my friend.
I will call my friend.
Again. I will call my friend.
I will call my friend.
Good. Now, I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to watch a movie.
Again. I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to watch a movie.
Very good. Your English is growing.
Now we do a small daily life situation. Imagine this. You meet your friend in the morning.
Your friend says, "Hi, what are your plans today?"
You answer slowly and calmly. I will work today. In the evening, I am going to relax.
Listen again. I will work today. In the evening, I'm going to relax.
This is very natural, very simple.
Now, repeat after me. I will work today.
I will work today.
Good. In the evening, I'm going to relax.
In the evening, I'm going to relax.
Excellent. You are speaking about the future with confidence.
Now we want to show you a common beginner mistake. This is very important.
Some learners say, I will to go. This is not correct.
Not this, I will to go, but this, I will go.
Listen again. I will go. Very simple. No to after will.
Not this, I will to go, but this, I will go.
Another mistake. Some learners say, I going to work. Not this, I going to work, but I am going to work.
You need am. I am going to work.
Let us practice the correct way. Repeat after me. I will go.
I will go.
Good. Again. I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
Very nice. Mistakes are okay. You are learning.
Now let us have a longer conversation, a real conversation. Listen first, then we repeat some parts.
Hi, Paul. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Hi, Emily. Yes, I do. I will work in the morning.
Oh, nice. What will you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I am going to meet a friend.
That sounds good. Are you going to do anything in the evening?
Yes, in the evening, I will watch a movie at home.
Very nice. You have a good plan.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to study in the morning. In the afternoon, I will go for a walk.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I like simple plans.
Now, let us break this conversation into small parts. We repeat together.
Repeat after me. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Good. Now, I will work in the morning.
I will work in the morning.
Good. Now, I'm going to meet a friend.
I'm going to meet a friend.
Excellent. You are doing real conversation.
Now, another common mistake. Some learners forget the time word. They say, I will work. This is okay, but sometimes we want more clear meaning.
Better is, I will work tomorrow, or I will work in the morning.
Time words help your
Let us continue together. Take a deep breath. You are safe here. You are learning. We go step by step.
Now we talk about future plans with other people. Family, friends, work. These are very common situations.
Imagine this. You are with your family. Someone asks you, what will you do this weekend?
This question is very normal, very friendly. You can answer with simple English.
For example, you can say, I will stay at home, or I am going to visit my family.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. I will stay at home.
I will stay at home.
Good. Again, I will stay at home.
I will stay at home.
Now the other one. I am going to visit my family.
I am going to visit my family.
Again, I am going to visit my family.
I am going to visit my family.
Very good. This is real-life English.
Now imagine a work situation. Your boss asks you, what are your plans for next week?
Do not panic. You can answer simply. You can say, I will work on my tasks, or I am going to finish my work.
Repeat after me. I will work on my tasks.
I will work on my tasks.
Good. Again. I will work on my tasks.
I will work on my tasks.
Now, I am going to finish my work.
I am going to finish my work.
Good. Again. I am going to finish my work.
I am going to finish my work.
You sound clear. You sound calm.
Now let us talk about asking questions about the future. This is also very important.
A simple question is, what will you do? This is very common.
Another simple question is, what are you going to do?
Both are good. Both are friendly.
Let us practice asking. Repeat after me. What will you do tomorrow?
What will you do tomorrow?
Good. Now, what are you going to do tonight?
What are you going to do tonight?
Very nice.
Now we do a short role play. Listen first.
Hi, Emily. What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will work in the morning. In the evening, I am going to rest.
That sounds good.
Now you repeat after me. You are Emily.
Tomorrow, I will work in the morning.
Tomorrow, I will work in the morning.
Good. In the evening, I am going to rest.
In the evening, I am going to rest.
Excellent.
Now let us look at another small mistake. Some learners mix the sentence too much.
They say, will go tomorrow. This is not correct.
Not this, I am will go, but this, I will go, or I am going to go.
Choose one. Keep it simple.
Repeat after me. I will go tomorrow.
I will go tomorrow.
Good. I am going to go tomorrow.
I am going to go tomorrow.
Very good.
Now we practice with more daily actions. These are words you know.
Eat, sleep, study, work, play, shop, travel.
Listen. I will eat lunch. I am going to sleep early.
Repeat. I will eat lunch.
I will eat lunch.
I am going to sleep early.
I am going to sleep early.
Good. Again. I will study tonight.
I will study tonight.
I am going to travel next week.
I am going to travel next week.
Wonderful.
Now, let us slow down and have a longer conversation, a very real one. Imagine two friends talking.
Hi, Paul. Are you free this weekend?
Hi, Emily. Yes, I am free on Saturday.
Nice. What are you going to do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I am going to clean my house in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I will go shopping.
Sounds busy. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I am going to rest. I will stay at home.
That sounds relaxing.
Now we repeat some parts together.
Repeat after me. Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Good. I am free on Saturday.
I am free on Saturday.
I am going to clean my house.
I am going to clean my house.
I will go shopping.
I will go shopping.
Excellent. You are speaking like a real person.
Now, let us help your memory again. We repeat the core ideas.
Future plans. Later, not now.
I will plus action.
I am going to plus action.
Time words help. Today, tomorrow, tonight, next week, on Sunday.
Repeat after us. I will.
I will.
I am going to.
I am going to.
Good.
Now, we want you to feel confident. You do not need long sentences. Short is good.
For example, I will work. This is enough.
Or, I am going to rest. This is enough.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean learning.
You are doing something brave. You are speaking a new language.
Now let us do a calm speaking practice. Speak with us slowly.
Repeat after me. Tomorrow, I will study.
Tomorrow, I will study.
Tonight, I am going to relax.
Tonight, I am going to relax.
Next week, I will travel.
Next week, I will travel.
Very good.
Now imagine your own life. Think in your head. What will you do tomorrow?
You can say it quietly or you can say it loud. I will.
Yes, say it. I will.
This is your English. It belongs to you.
We are almost at the end of this lesson. Let us do a full recap together.
We learned how to talk about future plans.
We learned I will for the future.
We learned I am going to for the future.
We used simple actions and time words.
We practiced questions and answers.
You listened, you repeated, you spoke.
That's real learning.
Remember, you can do this little by little, day by day.
Speak slowly. Speak kindly to yourself.
We are proud of you. Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time. Keep practicing. Keep smiling.